The formula of integration by parts equals the integral of u with respect to phi equals u times phi minus the integral of phi with respect to u. In this question, we want to find the integral of x times cosine x respect to x. Then we can apply integration by parts. Let u equals x, du equals dx, dv equals cosine x dx, and v equals sine x. Then the integral of x cosine x with respect to x equals x sine x minus the integral of sine x with respect to x. And we know the integral of sine x with respect to x equals minus cosine x. Then we have the integral of x cosine x with respect to x equals x sine x plus cosine x plus c, where c is a constant.